How are you all doing? Hope you had a wonderful night's rest. Here guys, getting ready to go on the road, and I'm doing it in the process of getting the boys ready for school. At this point, Mr. Joel is taking a shower. I'm preparing breakfast for them. Joshie is dressing and Jerry is dressing at the moment. So we're like 3/4 through. Yeah, I want to go bring back some stuff at Staples. That's the plan. So I'm gonna catch up my hair. My hair is extremely dry right now because, to be honest, I wanted to wash it yesterday. It did not happen, and I'm not gonna put nothing in it. Trying honestly, just some water, soften it. Right now, not even the spray bottle, man, you'll get no fancy thing right now. I want real. I don't really like it, look. And you know guys, I don't use comb, so this is my comb right there. Joel just came out of the shower. Yeah. It's so nice when they can help themselves, you know. I mean, I really like it. Guys, I did first never drive so fast. They almost missed the bus, but the good thing is that, you know, the lady is so nice that she waited on us. All praises be to the Most High. Right now, I'm gonna head out to Staples. I have my bagel here, guys, and my Milo tea. Let's go to Staples. To be washed in his blood, you can leave your religion at home. Hallelujah. I feel like I'm on the treadmill, guys, honestly. And it just come to a stop. Alright, arrived here at Staples. Gonna take this stuff inside. I don't know guys, you know that we're in spring, and you know I'm an animal person, you know, nature person, and I was thinking of, you know, visiting the animals. I'm wondering if it's too early because it's just 7 minutes past 8. What a lovely day it is. Through it all, I learned to trust Yeshua. I learned to trust in Yah. I purchased a sweat, you know, shirt for Haley. It's a bit too big, so I'm bringing it back. Yeah, guys, so I have another item I'm returning back to Amazon. I'd purchased this, you know, ear product by Sauce, and I prayed about it, and after praying about it, I didn't like the feeling that I got, so I am returning it. That's that. You gotta let your light shine. Let the Most High. Guys, I'm here at the farm, but it's not open yet. I have like 15 minutes here. You can see people coming. The sheep are on the farm. So right now I'm doing a little edit while I'm drinking my tea. My tea is not so hot. and I don't like that. Okay guys, it is now 9:39. I am halfway through my editing. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna pause the editing and go look for the animals then. For the last half an hour they've been coming out onto the farm. I hear the cows crying like hell. I'm like, why don't they feed the cows? They sound hungry to me. I haven't seen them since last year. They're nice. They're way over there guys. Aww. I stay too long, you know, in the car. I wanted to catch them when they were coming out of the barn, but unfortunately this is a yearly thing guys, and I will not stop doing it. I'm sorry if anybody is tired of seeing these videos. I just can't help it. I have to come see the animals, and you guys might even see more. For all the animal lovers, all the nature lovers, you are welcome. I'm doing this video for us, okay? I honestly admire them. Honestly, I love to see them come out, you know, especially after winter. You know, they've been in the barn and oh my, poor thing, them eating dry food. Now they're getting the fresh grass. Oh, thank you, Allah. Good morning, chicks. Hi, beautifuls. Haven't seen you guys since last year. How is it? Anything new? Let me see if there's any eggs, because I know that they are in the laying season. I can tell from our birds. I don't see any eggs. Let's walk. And they are all onto the farm, so nobody is really inside here. Oh, there is a little baba here. Hello, what happened? And there's a goat as well. What happened? Maybe this one is... Maybe this one is not well. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. What happened? So innocent. Look at the eyes. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Aww. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Alright? Never mind. Alright, sweetheart? You know, I was sitting in the car and wondering, like, what's going on? Why this ba ba ba? And I see why. Because the others are on the farm and this one is like by itself, then that's why it's crying. I feel so sorry for it. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. Alright? It's okay. Never mind, baby. Okay? Hi, sweetheart. Aww. Aww. Hi, baby. Oh, baby goats. Hi, Hizzy. That's what's new. 3 baby goats. Look at those little kids. Oh, so cute. Oh, they're so cute. Aww. They are so cute. Hi, little kiddos. Hey, little kiddos. I wish I could come nearer. Oh. There's a lot of food. Look at that. Grass for days and months and years. It's amazing.
Oh, there were three. The old one, the one that's outside is probably going separate.
Together?
Brown birds outside. Oh, a monkey face. I would eat it.
There are little children who are here on the farm. You know, it seems like they are on some school occasion, whatever the case is. Oh. They are new every morning. New every morning. Great is your faithfulness, oh yeah. And look at the cuties, they are getting closer. Can't wait for I'm on the farm, guys. I'm not understand. I just love animals. I love animals. I know it's gonna be a lot of work, but you'll do good at what you love, right? Definitely.
You could take a group shot of us.
Sure.
Down on the farm where the sun shines bright, animals gather in the morning light with a cluck and a moo and a cheerful neigh. Let's sing about the farm in a happy way. Farm friends in the morning glow. Rooster crows and the cows say hello. Sheep in the meadow and the pigs at play. Farm friends, a happy day. In the red barn where the hay is stored, a little brown horse neighs a lively chord. Chickens clucking with feathers so neat. On the farm every friend's a treat. Farm friends in the morning glow. Rooster crows and the cows say hello. Sheep in the meadow and the pigs at play. Farm friends, a happy day.
You know, guys, I stand there and I watched as the animals graze. And I'm like, wow, they are eating what is coming from the earth, because that's what the Most High provided for them to eat. But for us, they are trying to make food using machine for us to eat. What will that do to our body, guys? Basically kill us. Look how beautiful these animals look, nice and fresh and healthy. And what they're getting is from the earth. They're eating grass, drinking water, and just enjoying what the Creator basically gave them or give them. But us, they want to give us food that were made in labs. Basically, guys, to just cut our life short. It is so sad. You know what I hate? When humans behave as if they know more than the Most High. He's the Creator. He's the one that created all of us. Without him, nothing would have existed what is now existing. They want to give us things made in lab to eat. The seeds, when you look at the seeds of fruits nowadays, it's hard to find fruits in the store with seeds, and everybody is basically running to seedless, and they don't know how detrimental it is for the body. Because trust me, guys, you see the seeds are very important for your body. Do a little studies on seeds and you see something. You see, if I'm eating grapes and stuff, guys, not all the time I remove the seeds. I don't, because they're beneficial. You may not know, but do your research how important it is to consume seeds. Pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, these seeds are good, guys. I'm eating my orange sometime, and I swallow a few of the seeds. It's very important to consume seeds, and what they're doing is removing the seeds from the fruits. Why? What the reason for it? And nowadays, these young people growing up, thinking that, oh, I don't want nothing with seeds. They're running from the things that have seeds in it because they're so lazy. They're lazy to even peel an orange. It is so sad. I feel so sorry for this generation, because I don't know what is norm. They think it is crazy, honestly, and what is crazy is norm to them. It's a sad generation. But us who know the right thing, we have to teach our children what it is. We have to let them know that, look, this is good for you. This is good for you. It's not the stuff that are seedless. They're not good for you. They're doing deadly stuff to our bodies. Believe it. I might sound stupid to some, but it is what it is. The word of the Most High tells us that the things that are true has become lies, and the things that are lies, they are become truth. So yep, the cows are gone, guys. The other day, Obi and myself, we were walking in the park and stuff, and I had mentioned that I'm so sad looking back as a young mom, and basically nurturing the children. I did not know the closeness of these farms and parks. I was there I was just sitting down and stressing out. I used to stress a lot, guys. I used to stress a lot. As many of you may know, that it's only myself and my husband really here. We don't have nobody that really here for us, like family wise. It's just me and my husband and the Most High. He's the ultimate, because it's all about him. But it's just me and my hubby, and it was rough. It was really rough on us. My hubby is a person like this. He's always on the go. My husband is always on the go, always working to make sure that we get by, and he has done a wonderful job. All praises be to the Most High. Wouldn't trade my husband for nothing or nobody. Looking back, know, guys, it's very, 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 very important. You know, young wives, listen to my foolish little advice. Pray for your husband, right? It's your duty to pray for your husband. It's very hard for them. It's a charge that the Most High place on them, right? So being that they are the providers, you have to be there for, you know, your husband, you know. And when I say be there, it's not just physically. You have to be there in prayer. You have to pray up his strength and ask the Most High to make ways out of no ways. You know, if he's in a job where you guys basically live in hand to mouth, pray him up. Pray him up. Don't stress him out. Don't stress out your husband and make him feel like, you know, him not doing for do. All when my guys, all when him bringing $10, boost his ego, you know, make him know say I do it, and it's going to get better. Don't be on the man case beating on the man like some woman. I tell the man them say they're good for nothing. You can't do that. You can't do that. You're killing the man's ego. You know, a man is like this, guys. He needs his wife. The Bible tells us that, you know, the two become one, you know. And if that wife is not going to be there for her husband, that man is basically a half a man, right? He won't be complete without his wife. You know, the wife won't be complete without her husband. So, you know, as a wife, you have to be there, you know, for your husband in prayer. And the reason why I'm saying this, guys, that's what the Most High speak in my heart, that is my duty to pray for my husband. Because let me tell you something, the first part of our marriage, it was a bit bumpy. Remember, it's two people getting to know each other. We have our differences, we're both unique in our own ways, you know. It was a bit, you know, stressful, but I remember through prayer and fasting, the Most High spoke to me and he said it's your duty to pray for your husband. And guys, when I tell you I broke down. You see the Bible, guys, don't let nobody tell you that it's done away with. You need it. You need it. If you are a young married couple, you need the word of the Most High. I'm talking about those who believe in the Creator, because some people think say them just come from the out of nothing. But we who believe that we were created, right? And marriage, you know, basically show forth the relationship with him and the call out assembly, aka church. You know, we know so we can't do without the word, because it's beneficial, it's vital for your marriage to thrive. It's beneficial for your marriage to succeed. It's beneficial for your marriage to grow. It's beneficial for, you know, the fireproof moments, guys, when these days gonna come when you feel like, why am I here? What is going on? This, that, whatever, you feel so discouraged. And again, be careful of certain friends. You don't want to have certain friends, you know, when it comes to your marriage. You run, go, and everything you fly your mouth. I have been there. And this is why I'm saying this. Some people just listen, guys, and then I really mean on well. They're just waiting for that moment to hear say on a marriage done. When I was in the church, I heard that the same sisters them that basically are supposed to be my church sisters, I heard a few of them whisper say they're giving us few months to break up. In the church, you know, guys. Church people, you know. So I'm saying this, just listen to my foolish advice. Don't take everything your man go through or what you are going through in your marriage and fly gone tell friends. Don't do it. Take it on your knees to the Most High. Do it on your knees to the Most High. Cry to him. Both individuals are human. Yes, the two become one, but it also takes time, guys. It takes time. Because remember, there are two forces, good and evil. We have the Most High and Satan in a little corner, ready for laugh at the scorn. So you have to be wise. Practice wisdom. Take the word of the Most High and let it be your companion. Let it be your counsel. You know, many of us run into counselors paying this big old sum of money for what? Especially if the counselor is not somebody who believe in the Bible or believe in the Creator, what is sense? Your biggest counselor is the Most High, right? If you're a person who goes to church and if you have a good pastor, then you know, maybe if you trust the pastor, because not all of them you can trust, some of them fly them out, you know. If you feel comfortable and led by the Most High to, you know, go and have, you know, your pastor, you know, as someone who is not going to be biased, you know, basically like, you know, talk to the tone, you know, this, that, whatever counts you guys in the word, it is very good. You know, again, another, you know, problem. Why am I led to talk about this? You know, I don't know, but I'm just reflecting on my, you know, my past. You know, when I just started, when I was a young wife. I'm still young, but you know, I got married in my early 20s, and yes, you know, but I have seen the move of the Most High in my marriage, and I will implore anyone to let the Most High be your diary. Make him be your diary. Not tell him my business. Don't trust nobody and tell him my business, because they're just how we play the laugh up to the sky and believe my stupid words. Maybe one day I can talk more about this, but at this point, guys, I'm gonna walk around and just enjoy nature, just enjoy life, you know. Life is good, I'm telling you. It's everything right now for me. This is life. This is life. Life and life. Look at these grounds. They are beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful colors. Wow. They are pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Look at that. Wow. There's beauty everywhere. I was gonna pick them, but I changed my mind. I'm like, and by the time I get home, they probably die. So I say, you know what? Let me just leave it right there to give the ground beauty. Look at this beautiful tree. Beauty everywhere. Everywhere you turn, you see the glory of the Most High. Look at these beautiful flowers. Wow. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Beautiful.